Khrc Human Rights Council (KHRC) also expressed strong dismay over centre's move to form a popular government in Manipur, alleging that BJP-led government has adopted partisan and divisive approach that undermines the legitimate political aspirations of Khrc community. In a press communique jointly issued by KHRC General Secretary Tongminthang Khrc and Information and Publicity Secretary Lalboy Haukip, KHRC criticized reported induction of Kangpopi MLA Nemcha Kipgen as Deputy Chief Minister and inclusion of Khrc MLAs in ministerial positions, stating that such steps are an attempt to divide Khrc community rather than address its core political concerns. The council asserted that forming a government without arriving at a comprehensive political solution for Khrc people poses a serious threat to tribal democracy in India. Reiterating its long-standing demand, KHRC said a separate Khrc administration remains the only viable solution to address what it described as historical injustice, marginalization and prolonged neglect. It also accused the centre of adopting a condescending attitude towards tribal communities and urged it to abandon what it termed as divisive tactics aimed at splitting the Khrc and its sub-tribes. KHRC further stated that Khrc people have been excluded from meaningful decision-making processes, resulting in stunted socio-economic development and threats to their cultural identity. Reaffirming its demand for a separate state or union territory, the council said such an agreement is necessary to safeguard the rights, identity and future of Khrc people. The communique claimed that the separation between Khrc and Meitei communities has become complete in terms of history, land, boundaries and culture, a reality it said has been witnessed since May 3, 2023.